everybody, this is Mike Long with Fixing It with the Long Bros. Today's video is going to be I'm going to put out the last inline 71 highway service manual for the service manual section 15, and after that I'm going to be putting out the service manual for the PD 4103. So I'll look forward to that. Today I'm going to go over kind of what we cleaned out our garage, and we're going to get this cradle onto our, follow me over this way. The new wheels, we've got some more wheels for the center part so it'll hold the whole engine and everything. We're going to put some cross members across here, some probably those 2x6 or 4x6s across there, and then put the cradle on it, and so we can bypass the hitch. And we're going to lift I got to drill some holes in the cradle itself so I can bolt these up so they won't move, so we can lift the whole engine up. And we organized on this shelf, you see that's a lot of tools and stuff, the old tools and new tools. We just went through and found everything. Cleaned the garage up pretty much. I mean, that's what we've been doing for the last week or so. And I haven't forgotten yet, but we've just been busy out here and killing ourselves, lifting stuff up and whatever. There's all my wrenches in there. Had so many of them, I just want to lay them out on the shelf. So I tied them up with wire. On this shelf here, I got my impact wrenches, drills, battery chargers, and I keep hitting that thing. And over here I got some more tools, got all my nuts and bolts. Of course you don't give a crap about that. And I got my Lincoln welder stuff over there, helmet, blah blah blah, fire extinguishers up there, battery chargers, stuff for the bus, heater. Anyway,
instant heater, water heater.
Instant water heater, yeah, it's instant. It's not just, it doesn't play around. It's instant. Sockets.
So we put everything that was down here up in the attic. So there's a ladder that goes down there. Show them that. And we put all of our bus stuff up here on shelves.
There's a ladder for going up there. I know you all have some of the stuff like this. Anyway, our junk's up there.
Anyway, we put a bunch of stuff up there. It's packed.
Everything's packed around here. I guess that's what you do when you get accumulation of
Junk.
30 years.
30.
40. 50. Anyway, that's it. Here's some of my manuals here.
Here's the stuff for the bus. We put the radiators back here.
That's going to be hard to get that out of there.
I know. That's why this is going to be. You're going to have to pull it out. Can move this desk out and then pull it out. That'll be fine. This is Mike's workbench. Anyway, that's what we're doing.
Alright, see you soon. Oh, if you like this video, say you like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Subscribe. it.